Okay, here is a 2D map, Ortho Mosaic or TOPO. We're just going to focus on the 2D map on this short video. This is a elementary school here in Las Vegas. So we're going to zoom in. You're going to be able to look around. The resolution is very good. You can see site progression. You can see safety issues. You can see anything. You can measure anything, including distance, slope, volume. You can create issues that need to be resolved. I'll give you an example. If we dive in here a little bit, and let's say you see an issue, you can click on the issue tool. You can draw an area around that issue or just put a marker. So let's choose marker. Go over here, hit marker. And then you can write a summary of that issue, the severity of the issue, etc. So let's go in, just to give you an example. I already did a distance measurement of this slab right here, this green line. So if you click on it, it's going to give you your length, 199.9 feet, your horizontal length, your surface length, and your slope. So if you got pipes in the ground and you need to measure the slope, the percentage, you can do that. It's really nice. Actually, let's find some pipes in the ground. Oh, if you go over here, we got some pipes. Click on our tool, drag this down, click here, click here. So it's going to give us our distance and our slope, which is 0.33%. This is what they got the slope on this pipe. These rigid lines are where the couplings are on the pipe, and then you can measure the distance of the pipe. So let's zoom back out. Here's a stockpile. I already created a line around this, so let's click on that, and it's calculating. It's going to give you the net volume in cubic yards. And all this is very accurate because we use RTK drones, we use ground control points, and we are connected to the N-Trip network system as we fly our drones. So everything is centimeter grade accuracy. So another thing I'd like to show you is I got some overlays on this. So let's look at a civil overlay. So we're going to overlay the drawings onto the whole site. I'll zoom out. You can see the whole site. So this is C501. There's more drawings, but we're just looking at this one right now. And just to give you an example, so the contract drawing shows 2,066.8 feet. I got a marker here that's going to tell me my lat, long, and elevation. So I click on that marker. The elevation is 2,066.33, and the print's 2,066.8, so it's very close and acceptable. So you can go in and see where things are installed versus where the print shows them. You can see these storm drains are exactly where the contract drawings show them to be. It's just one of many examples. Here the building isn't dug out yet, but when it is, you can go back, you can remap, and this is best to do every week, 2 weeks, every month. You can see foundation, another building going up here. You can see all kinds of things. It's really cool. So let's dive into another overlay. So we'll take the civil off and we'll go to a plumbing drawing. Okay, this drawing pertains to this particular building, and I know the slab's already poured, but it gives you a great as-built overlay. If this was flown when the plumbing was in the ground and exposed, you could see where the contract drawing has it in and where the plumbing is, whether it's where it's supposed to be or whether it's off, and then you can measure that. Say this sewer main, this 4-inch sewer was over here. You could take a measurement from here to here and know how far it's off, and you can save that and record that and got a digital as build. And if we zoom in and look closer, so you can see there's a 2-inch floor sink supposed to be right here, and if you look, you can see where the plumbing is. It's right here. Okay, it's a little off, or that may be a vent and the drain may be here. It's something that you can note and go on site and look if you can't see the clarity in the map, but you can tell the map's very high resolution. Again, you can measure anything. Let's go back. If you want to see, you know, the square footage of this building right here, you do is hit the area tool, and I'm just going to do this very quickly. I mean, you can get, you know, right in the nooks and corners. We're just going to do a square, get an average, just to give you an example. So right here, the area, surface area and area right here. So really neat. So we're going to delete that. We don't need to save that for anything. I already showed you the stockpile. You can zoom in and out. This is great for progress tracking. Great for just about anything. You can upload this. I can export GeoTIFF map. We're going to get into these other things in other videos, but as far as the map, the GeoTIFF is the one, you know, that's the main one you're going to use, because it's got all the geological information, all the metadata, you know, everything. And since we're in Las Vegas, Nevada, this is the code that we're going to use to export this. And then when you export it, you can go down, max available 0.30 inches per pixel. So I really enjoy this. This is the Ortho Mosaic is TOPO, whatever you want to call it, is the most used in my opinion, and also point clouds, and we're going to get into that too. So I just wanted to give you a good observation of a 2D map and show you how you can overlay and all the benefits that you can get out of it. Thank you for watching. This is Jeff with MCW LLC.